Hi famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses room. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share the video, watch the ads, comment down below, you name it. Okay, so what are we cooking today? We are going to cook malana. So if you're a sensitive watcher, a sensitive, subscriber, please don't do this at home, okay? Right, don't watch this video because if you are sensitive, you're not gonna like it, of course. Anyway, let us cook pap. I think by this time around, you know how to cook pap in this channel because how many times have we, guys, we cooked it more than 4 times already, if I'm not mistaken. So I hope you are mastering it by now. One thing about us famies, we are very neat, okay? Need OCD. Like, I just stopped cooking just to wipe because what on earth? Actually, this reminds me of how I grew up. My mother will so you can imagine. I took it, okay? So we are cooking pap and malana. What is malana in English? I don't know. Chicken intestines? I don't know. Malana, but it doesn't sound good in English. Chicken intestines. Anyway, yeah, in South Africa we eat chicken intestines, okay? Okay, I bought them from this other market. They are already clean. However, because I want to make sure I cleaned them again myself to be very much satisfied, okay? They are clean already. You can see that they're actually quite clean. So, sorry, content at night is equal to sleeping. I'm very much sleepy. Anyway, let's push. So, make sure that you wash them with warm water. That is definitely warm water. Sorry, my camera. Yeah, warm water. And leave them for a little bit. Remember, when you want to wash things thorough, warm water, a little bit of salt, leave them for a few minutes, 5 minutes, while we are cooking our pap. I don't know what is this process in English. If you know this process, roloisha, we call it roloisha, but then I don't know what is roloisha in English. So if you know roloisha in English, type it below because wow, we need you. So make sure that after every 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you go back and roloisha, right? Now, another 5 to 10 minutes. Remember this warm water, salt, just to wash it thoroughly. I make sure that I'm cleaning them for the last time, child, because we don't want to eat rubbish. We don't want to eat rubbish, okay? So make sure that you clean your intestines. Yeah, this is another process that how you really need to have patience, okay, to clean this. See, this is the second water. Remember the first water was warm water, a little bit of salt, yes, and you clean them. There's another warm water, second round of warm water, and then we are going to drain everything. One thing about chicken intestines is that they are very tricky. You can never say, it's like baking scones. You can never say, now I know this one. They are very tricky. They never come out the same each day when you cook them. So the least you can do is to have intestines that are full of water, because the moment you have a lot of water, trust me, you're going to have soup. That water will break them into pieces. You will have no meat to actually eat. You understand? So that is why I opted to use this, so that I drain as much water as possible. Few minutes later, go back and make sure. Woo! My apologies. I will never do food content or editings at night. So make sure that you mix your pap very well. If not mistaken, if you check my heat, you won't see it. I think it's, if not 3, it's 2. You must always cook with low heat, okay? Now, this process, you know it by now. I think it's ridramakako. I don't know. I always call them pap balls because I don't know what is this in English. I beg you. I told you that me and school, we are not friends. I did not go to school. Oh. So please type down below, what do you call this procedure? Yeah, because that's how we do it. We grew up, our parents were doing this, so we are just following the trend. Okay, I see others. My apologies. Others usually use plastic and a tea. What is this thing? I forgot, but they use plastic with cooking oil, which I don't like it. They put cooking oil on top of that plastic and start. Not for me. So let's cook chicken intestines now that we are done with our pap, and then we are going to cook chicken intestines. Of course, onion, order of the day all the time. There's a very old onion. Trust me, if there's one thing about me, I'll never throw things away. If you think you will you'll rot in this house and I throw you away, think twice, I beg. Anyway, famies, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Most importantly, watch the ads chart, and watch the ads. So Kimola, you have to chop your onion. Why? I always prefer onion. Trust me. Another mistake that I made, which I'm telling you not to do, don't use red onion. You see that onion, don't use it, because unless if you are going to eat your malana, your intestines now, and not leave them until tomorrow, because the red onion literally changes color. It doesn't look good at all. So that is the biggest mistake that I made. Using this onion was the worst mistake ever. But let's cook. I mean, we cook what we have in our houses, and you can tell that shampoo onion nearly lost its life. So I was like, before you lose your life, let me use you, okay? Let me use you. Okay, we're gonna also chop our red onion. Don't use it, guys. Don't use it unless it doesn't look good as a leftover, especially in your sishebo. No, it doesn't look good at all. It looks blackish, something like that. It looks like a poison, by the way. It looks like a poison. Hey, nagana utholela batho utholetse batho di poison. Yo, wena ba re ba lebelela kana kuba o ntsheditse dilo bola ba re le moena ba re msadi ya buti andrisu eta wa go gaute. Yo, maja andrisu tlo tshela red onion ka ra malana. Ka bushwa shalo ka re ke poison. Wena o tabola batho. Ba tsa re o roa he. O tsore bogadi ya ba raloke ba roa. Ke mela ke a di kopanya ka mogo ba go kopa ntshang le o lo o ipotsa ro be di cheek wa tsa ba go thakantse le side cheek o bethe ke thomo o kokarwa gafa. Anyway, back to the cooking. You're going to preheat your pot. Put it around maybe 3 to 4. Preheat it. Why do we preheat? We preheat it because we want to drain this water. You see the water I was telling you about? Don't ever close this pot when cooking intestines. The biggest mistake ever. Utlo jaga soap. Utlo jaga soap. O tshwana le wena o itile understanding girlfriend. Utlo jaga soap mo girl. I wanna understand this. Lo tlo I dry. Dry sha tlo mo girl. You see, I've drained the first cup of water. That's what we left with. Of course, aromat in this house. We don't use arate matswai. Aranyake matswai. Wazaro matswai asi. Yo, tlhaka. Yo, garafa. Wa ikushisha ke mola wa tlhakantsha aromat ya hao. Remember, the only thing that we did was to preheat and drain water, put aromat, a little bit of cooking oil, as you have seen, right? Sharp, make sure that you mix together. Ba o no understand that when. Okay, put it on no understanding girlfriend. Okay, sharp. Then remember our red onion and white onion, put them together, stir about come left take side, come right kwena understanding wena lena le tlo ja lata lena le tlo ja ka sopo le tlo ja ka a ona gore motho tshwantse understanding. Okay, few minutes later, still looking good. We are getting there. If I tell you that, if you want to see that I don't have morals, put your pause. Your different types of spices. Remember, we don't showcase spices. A little bit of chili garlic to give it that taste. Yes. So I was saying one thing about it. Remember the water that I've drained, you can use it to make soap on your house, so that soap, man, soap. So when you go back to lose the morals, apia malana, cook this type of meat, you will see that I will lose my morals. Anyway, more spices, a little bit of parsley to give it that taste, and stir. Never close this pot. Never close it, bruh. The moment you close it, and you see, some of them, they actually broke. Like it's gemaratana. So don't ever close your pot when cooking intestines, and preheat to avoid. But really for zero lead. By that time you say you want to impress them. What's a level food content yaga? We impress about whether look over. Huh? We impress among you shall dwell in the understanding zone. Level food content. Watch food content so that you can do the right thing. Luena, my brother. Watch. Zulu guys, watch here. Petty girls like this. Tswana girls like this. Look and focus. Anyway, look at the ay suka madoda ay senzeni bakithi siyenzeni na. So it was very nice, guys. It was very nice. This is the end product of it. Yes, we lost a little bit of few intestines because of water, but then we won. And it was nice. I had it with achar. You seen the plate? Ooh, chow, femi. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share the video. Most importantly, watch the ads. Until we meet again, famies, stay blessed, stay winning. Bye.